Hello everybody, this is a change, a wee nighttime video. I've had a busy day today. I had the doctors and the went to the doctors, so I've not been on much. But this specimen here, my big white boy, this big coat, just because it's nighttime, there's son, is number 6. He was one of my original white birds. So he was big cracker after a right good hold at him the night. He'll never be tamed to me, he's too old, but you know what it's like, get a grip of him at night, you can get them. This light's been on a while, so maybe the lights are adjusted and I'm not going to get any more. But that's alright. Put them back up. There you go son, model one. And this is a feathered feather. There we go. This is my feathered one. This one I thought I was worried about and had to go and feed, but it was a whittle. As soon as I had fed it, and I'd fed the other one, I filled the tray for the big ones. This whitle's head went straight in the tray and started eating. It's a raw bird boat. But you're going to tame to me, aren't we? You are. You are. I think I'm just going to call this one Fluff. So, just for the simple reason of the feathers on the feet. And that wee sticky out here, feather, sorry, it's holding its head fae. Fae's keen. That's a feathered one. You can see all the feathers under its feet there. Put you back. I hear you. I'm coming for you next. I'm going to leave you last because I'm going to give you something to eat. Big boy. I'm getting better at catching them. Like I say, these are the older ones. It's the only time I get a wee chance and a wee hod to see them is when the light's out and I've kind of burnt them. But oh, he's strong. Oh, he's strong. You're a strong boy. There we go. Size of that chest. Look at the size of that chest. Ah, he's a strong, he's one away. No issues. That's a shame. Bingo. I've just got to pause a wee minute and then boom. If I don't get them the first time, I don't do it because I'm no stressing them out. And I'm especially no stressing out these tumblers. No way am I stressing out. But here's my wee prize hen. My wee black pied checkered hen. Wee Jenny. Wee Jenny. Absolute beautiful bird. Absolute beautiful bird hen. I'm so proud of you. Wee Jenny. Right, I'll let you go wherever you want, darling. Who will I go for next? Oh, see that? First catch. First catch. This big boy, as everybody kens. Your wee tail's coming back. I'm never doing that again. Never ever doing that again. Straighten your legs, boy. You've got them put in, up, into it. That's it. Sorry, one needs to be up. And this is my saddle back. You'll see the night, but always fight me. One of the older birds too, so obviously I don't have this one tamed. No like Fluff and the Squawker, who I'll introduce at the end. This is Storm the Saddleback. Right, darling. He's my wee champion tumbler too. Autumn, I'm not going to bring out because we can. She's on 2 eggs. Whether they're infertile or no, I'm not messing her about. I wouldn't do that. It's a shame. I love the fact that I'm getting it first time. See, look, see this? Oh no, I nearly lost you there. I'm so sorry. So sorry, but did you see the tail going right up? That's the fantail in it. That's the fantail in this white pigeon. Aye. Aye, it is. Oh, you're a strong one. Oh, it's strong. It's no handheld at all. Oh, but this is another one of my white ones. And this is, oh, it's got to definitely be a cock. I should have actually brought a ring out and get this one rung. So I should have. And that could have maybe been a wee partner for Jenny, because I think, as we know, we don't know what's underneath the white. So, crossing, rubbing a wee square goat. I don't like when they go off and off. That's it, Jenny, come away from them, hen. That Storm thinks he's a gangster, doesn't he? I'll get the squabs. I'll get the squabs. This is day 19. Oh, not mum's knowing them good. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Did anybody miss me? Did anybody miss me today? Because I've been oh my God. Look at the size. Sorry, it's dark. Who have I got first? Eagle. Come on, wee chicken. Come on, get it. Yeah, that's it. Get your wings going. Get some exercise. Lively. Yeah. There. As you, oh, you can't even see. I'm so sorry. I need to hold it up here. Wee Eagle's doing absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Coming on a treat. The feathers are coming in beautiful. Beautiful. Wee crops full. Totally alert. Totally alert. Eyes are all over the place. Right. And wee ring's still on her leg as well. This is day 19. And this one, as we know, is Carla. You're a heavier chick. You're made it yourself, aren't you? You're the greedy one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Eyes are all clear. Look at that. Did you see all that underneath? They've got beautiful markings. Stunning birds. Really, really proud of these birds. And this wee yin is coming on a treat. Coming on a treat. So, wee quick update, and lastly, a big shout out to Lee, Jill and Carla for doing on the birds. Night all.